Look at this steak. Seriously, just look at it. That crust, that perfect pink center, it's almost obscene. Now, I know what you're thinking. American food? That's just burgers and hot dogs, right? Fast food, wrapped in plastic, eaten in cars, regretted later. And sure, we invented those. We perfected them. But here's the thing about America. We're culinary magpies. We see something shiny from another culture and we steal it. Then we make it better. This is Sous Vide Filet Mignon with Chimichurri, and it might just be the most American dish you'll eat all year. We start by seasoning these beautiful fillets, kosher salt, fresh cracked pepper. Be generous. This beef worked hard to be this tender. The least we can do is respect it. Now, filet mignon. The name is French. Dainty filet. Adorable. But here's a fun fact for your next dinner party. The term wasn't coined in Paris. It was popularized by an American writer named O. Henry in 1906. One of his characters dreams of eating filet mignon with champignons. That dream, it's now on your cutting board. Into the bags they go. Butter, smashed garlic, fresh thyme, then into the water bath at 129 degrees for about 90 minutes. This is sous vide. French technique, American engineering. We're cooking every single molecule to the exact same temperature. No gray band, no guesswork, no crying over a ruined, expensive steak. Julia Child once said, "The only time to eat diet food is while you're waiting for the steak to cook." She would have loved this method. Now the chimichurri, fresh parsley, oregano, garlic, red wine vinegar, good olive oil. This is Argentina's gift to beef. Legend says a British fellow named Jimmy McCurry shouted his name at a barbecue, and chimichurri was born. Is that true? Probably not. Do I care? Not even a little. While the steak rests, 5 full minutes, I know it hurts, that sauce sits there, bright and herby, waiting to cut through all that buttery richness like a palate-seeking missile. When you slice into this, you'll see it. Blush pink from edge to edge, buttery tender. That's not French. That's not Argentine. That's American precision. On a plate. Go make the steak, and as always, enjoy the process of illustration on your plate.